Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Finding the best electric guitar is difficult, but at the same time, thoroughly exciting. The term best means different things to different people, and it's the subjective nature of this which makes the task so much harder, as well as the task of putting together this guide. For some players, the best electric guitar is something simple and utilitarian, and for others, it's a guitar which is dressed to the nines in a fancy paint job, and has every conceivable gadget on board. In this roundup, we'll be showing you what we think are the best electric guitars you can currently get your hands on. This product list covers a vast price range, as well as many different musical styles and playing levels, to ensure that you find the very best electric guitar for you. Our team research and best of this of experts, we have select 3 best electric guitars in 2023 for you. The link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Guild Safliner Solid Body Electric Guitar.
Brand new vintage inspired electric guitar with offset appeal. Influenced by the iconic heritage and eccentric shapes of vintage Guilds, the all-new Guild Safliner complements the brand lineage by combining classic styling with modern features in an offset, solid body electric. The Safliner features a fast-playing satin finished neck and a gloss body available in Catalina blue, sunset orange, and white sage finishes. Solid poplar body with comfortable C-shaped 25.5-inch scale maple neck. Sleek, contoured lines shape the asymmetric poplar body, while a satin finished C-shaped neck provides smooth playing and tactile familiarity. Evenly balanced and shaped to fit comfortably at any strap height. Featuring a neck-to-body joint at the 17th fret.
Number 2. ESP Ltd EC 1000 Evertune Electric Guitar.
Designed to offer the tone, feel, looks, and quality that professional musicians need, while still being affordable. The Evertune bridge system delivers constant tension that keeps your guitar in tune. Enjoy near-perfect intonation up and down the neck under almost any condition. Features a great-looking quilted maple top and set-through construction with a mahogany body and maple cap. Also features 3PC, mahogany neck and 24-fret Macassar ebony fingerboard and multiply body/neck/headstock binding. Gets its excellent tone from Seymour Duncan JB/Jazz passive pickups.
Number 1. Dean Guitars Exile Select Floyd Rose.
A true force in the world of shred guitar. The Exile is a beast in tonal flexibility and ease of playability. 3-piece maple neck with bound 24-fret ebony fretboard onto a high-access alder body brings all the tone and access to reach any note. Combined with exclusive brushed chrome EMG 57TW/66TW pickups, which can be split into single coil mode with a push/pull volume and tone pots. Floyd Rose 1000 series tremolo system, breathtaking burl poplar top, and 5-ply body and headstock binding ties it all together with class and ferocity all in one guitar. Body material, alder, top, burl poplar. Construction, bolt-on neck. Pickup, neck EMG 66TW splittable, bridge EMG 57TW splittable. Neck material, 3-piece maple, fretboard, ebony. Bridge, Floyd Rose 1000, Korean.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.